In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Zoho Projects. We'll walk through this using the latest Zoho Projects interface, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you can follow along confidently. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the deletion safely. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Projects account and you're on the main workspace or portal homepage. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the tab labeled Projects. This is where Zoho keeps the full list of projects in your current portal. Go ahead and click on the Projects tab. This will open a page that shows all of your projects, usually in a list or grid view, depending on your settings. Once the project list is visible, take a moment to locate the specific project you want to remove. It helps to double-check the project name here, especially if you have several projects with similar titles. Remember, deleting a project is a significant action, so you want to be absolutely sure you have the right one. When you found the project you want to delete, move your mouse over that project's row. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over it. As you hover, Zoho Projects reveals some extra options tied to that project. On the far left side of the project's row, you'll see a small three-dot icon, often called the More Options or ellipsis icon. Click on that three-dot icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take for that project. In this menu, look for the option labeled Delete Project and click it. As soon as you do, Zoho will open a confirmation pop-up. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so pay close attention here. In the confirmation window, Zoho will usually ask you to type a specific word, often delete, into a text field. Carefully type the required confirmation text exactly as shown. This is your last chance to confirm that you truly want to remove this project and everything associated with it. Once you've entered the confirmation text, click the delete button in the pop-up. Zoho Projects will now permanently delete that project from your portal. After a moment, the project will disappear from your list, confirming that the deletion is complete.